what was the accusation of Adani against Adani by Hindenburg report. Then first was a lot of stuff about Adani's brother being this and Adani's sister being this and Adani's brother-in-law being this and Adani's son-in-law being this and Adani's sister-in-law being this and all those kind of things. So, and there was nothing which was really new because what he used was public information. There was nothing in the report which said that this particular issue is something new. It was even mentioned in the offer documents, fundraising documents, prospectus of Adani Group companies that these are the cases, these are the allegations, these are the matters which are sub judice, and many of those matters have Adani Group has come out clean as per its own 413-page document in which rebuttal, in which they also shared the judgment copies or the orders. They also made allegations about the accounting manipulations in the company, and what they said is they showed the screenshots of the notes to the accounts itself. So again, I am seeing something and sharing with you what is reported by Adani Group in its own notes to the accounts, which is part of the annual report. And that was being claimed as if this is something which is totally new. Of course, I'm not supporting Adani. I'm neither opposing Adani. Adani has made a presentation. They have given the whole report and rebuttal. Now it is upon Hindenburg and others to provide documents and data to say that whatever they have made accusations against Adani are true. And thereafter, it is upon the government to then look into it. But one of the biggest allegation which has stuck on to Adani and which was being discussed for a very long time was the huge leverage that Adani was taking, which was in form of loans that it had taken. Now, here we have to understand that infrastructure companies, infrastructure projects are long gestation projects, and they are heavy physical investments, assets being created. So in such a case, the loan is also on a higher side, and that is a prudential financial practice that any infrastructure company can take more loan. Of course, Adani has taken more loan than NHPC and others in the green energy segment. It has taken more loans than other companies in the power segment. But then it is about the risk-bearing capacity of the group, and the investors know about it. It is not that it is something hidden. It is totally coming in the balance sheet. It is disclosed, and the loans were taken to create assets. It was not like loans were taken to run the losses or to fund the losses of the company. And against that, they had huge physical assets. And if you look at the composition of loans, the rhetoric was that, oh, if something happens to Adani, then, Indian banks will go bust and Indian banks will face a problem. But nearly 40% of the loan was taken from international markets in form of bond issues. And who subscribes to these bonds? These are big institutional investors. Institutional investors are something like the mutual funds in India. In US, there are various debt funds, there are hedge funds who invest in such securities so that they can get a bit of a higher return than whatever, because in America and other places, the interest rates are very low. So the hyper narrative which was created, the propaganda which was done that, oh my God, this is a dangerous thing, that did not hold any grounds. And it was a very wrongly manipulated information which was sent across to the people. That was how a whole propaganda machinery was created, be it in form of a Hindenburg report or be it in form of a narrative which was spread by mainstream media to vilify Adani, that they have huge loans, they may go bankrupt, and which is not the case. I'll digress for a minute or so, but there was a report in Bloomberg that the bonds, Adani bonds on international markets, that is US markets, crashed because everybody had a feeling that Adani will go bankrupt the way Evergrande happened in China, the real estate company. And thereafter, the bonds again rebounds because everybody realized that there is no problem in Adani Group per se in the core businesses. The core business is cement. Cement till people continue to build houses, till Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana construction continues, till the roads are being built, till the ports are being built, till the airports are being built, cement is required. So there is no dearth of demand, no problem in the demand for cement. That cement businesses will close down. Till Indian economy is doing good, the ships will come on Mundra port and there will be business. So port business is also not going to fail. Airport business, they have Bombay and other 5 airports. People are going to fly. We are the third largest flying nation now. So till we continue to fly, Adani is going to get money. The day we stop flying, Adani is in a problem. So there is also no problem. People keep on using edible oil, fortune and all for cooking. If we stop using oil and become diet conscious, again Adani is in a problem. Okay, there is coal required to run power plants. They are again into coal trading. So there is no problem. So per se, all the allegations that the business will go bust and Adani companies will go bust and the loans will go bad and the banks will be in problem was a hoax which was created. And after realizing that this is a hoax, the bond markets in US also was stable and Adani bonds prices also jumped up.